Welcome to Sleep Science Today, and we've got another, actually it's a twist on a Sleepy Teeny today. We've got a beautiful, fresh, ripe mango here. I wish you could smell it. It's just a beautiful scent. We've got all other sorts of fruits and options here, vegetables, but today we're doing the mango chamomile shooter. Yeah. Instead of a martini glass, we're going for sort of a shooter glass here today. So what are we going to do? We're going to start off with our muddling glass. We're going to take some mango chunks. With mango, you got to watch out for that big seed that's in the center. So you have to kind of cut around the seed. But when the mango is ripe, you can see just how beautiful the coloring is. It's that golden color, and it smells so nice. So there we go, mango, chamomile. In this case, we're using 3 milligrams of melatonin. Drop that in there. And we get our muddling stick from over here. And let's start muddling away. Now, this mango is just absolutely perfectly ripe today. I actually was going to shoot this video yesterday, but ran out of time. And I'm glad that I did, because it gave me the opportunity to let that mango ripen one more day. So, oh wow, it's nice and soft. Okay, look at what we have there. I'm going to add a little bit of ice to our glass. And then I want to strain this one because I don't want all the pulp in there. So here we go. You can see all the mango pulp that comes out. And as a result, here's our shooter. Cheers. Wow, it's like drinking a mango. Okay, well there you go. That is our mango chamomile shooter. I encourage you to give it a try 1 hour before bed and watch it help your nights become smooth and restless. Restless? Did I say that? Restful. How many of you caught that? Visit us at Sleep Science Today. Subscribe, like, hit the bell. I got to tell you all these things. You watch YouTube all the time. You know how to do this. Subscribe. Show us your comments. Did it taste good? I want to know. Cheers.